Hello guys, welcome to my channel Netcast on the web page. So in this video today we are going to learn how to retrieve your Google Photos from backup. So if you have lost your phone or you have cleaned your phone or if you make the factory reset, then you need to backup your Google Photos which you had backup in your first phone. So guys, I'm going to show in my Android phone. So let's start with the video. Before we starting, I request you, if you like this video, hit the like button, subscribe my channel, and don't forget comments below. So let's go on my Android phone. So guys, here you can see I'm on my Android phone. So let me open Google Photo. First, you have to download Google Photos. Google Photos is a by default application in every Android phone, but I suggest you go to the Play Store and update your Google Photos. Now open it. After open, just log in with your email ID where you had taken the backup. So just log in with your email ID. So Google Photos get the and they can record the photos from your Google Photos. So now just click here and you have to on the backup. Okay, so I have already my backup on, so that's why show here. But if you don't, if your backup is off, there is a show this backup is off. Then you have to click on it and just open it. Now go to the photo setting and go to the backup and synchronize. Backup means these photos application get the your mobile photo. Synchronize means they download your already backup photo on your phone. So just click on it now, and here you have to on this. You have to select the right email ID which you have used it in first phone, and when you back up the photos. So here you can see this is GB 50 GB which is free from Google. I have used only 2%, and here you can backup device folder. Okay, never backup the phone. Okay, click on it and you can data limit, you can set the data limit, or you can only backup on Wi-Fi. Okay, so just keep it as it is, don't change it. Okay, okay, you can okay, so now this just on this, and after that wait for 30 minutes, then all photo will you can see here which is retrieved from same on this email from this email ID. Okay, so guys, I hope you like this video. Please subscribe me. Thank you for